Just sitting.
Some kids have that.
take it so much. You guys want it?
Here we go.
Looks like we have the Dapper Vans taking Chip for a ride down Main Street U.S.A. singing some tunes. Up ahead to the right, you'll find the yellow hostess carriage, built in 1957, driven by Walt Disney himself back in the day. We're going to take a ride, just like we're doing right here in the Omnibus, and the yellow hostess carriage, stopping at Town Square and the castle as well. Now traveling right to the middle of Main Street U.S.A, going down the center of the street to Town Square. Main Street's home to many traditional places. For example, we got the Candy Palace on the right-hand side of the bus. Turn up some nice sweet treats. Also, the stairway for you on the left-hand side of the bus, where you can pick up a hand-cut piece of silhouette. That's a nice little souvenir portrait. Last but not least, we have the Emporium on the right-hand side, the biggest shop here inside the park. We're in here, that's the place to be. And with that being said, we're now approaching City Hall here in Town Square. So please remain seated until the vehicle comes very full and complete stop. Be sure to watch your step and use those hand rails. And have a wonderful day, folks. Thanks again for riding aboard the Disneyland Omnibus.
Friends, clear the right track.
Take a